Apple pie here. Melted chocolate cake.
Deck 6 upper.
Here we are.
Apple pie. Apple.
Left, sweetie.
Left.
Left. Left, right, left. Yo-yo.
Yay.
Do you have my card?
You have it.
I haven't. This is my card. It's a nice card. We know pretty much this side of the ship. We've been through as much as we possibly can. This is our room. If you go outside here, you can see walruses or seals, whatever they are. Okay. Ensenada Mexico.
Okay.
Yes. We're gonna miss you guys.
Hold on.
Pretty nice sized room. It's really comfortable. It's just actually, yeah, it has, here's for your closet to hang stuff up. And here's a safe. You put stuff in there and run your ID, your driver's license, or your room card. There's your life vest. There's the bathroom. It's got a good sized shower. Got my CPAP machine. Everything's good here. You can actually open this window all the way. And when we're cruising on the ocean, you look out there and you don't see anything but water. Here's the TV. You don't want to watch TV when you're on a cruise ship, but at night before you go to bed, it's all right. That's about it. Carnival Radiance is what we're on.